So here's the second half of the worksheet, and the first question here is just a definition. Price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded to a change in price. Demand is more inelastic if few substitutes exist. So if it's a large share of the budget, that tends to be elastic demand. In the long run, it's more elastic than the short run. And when we have a lot of substitutes, it could be really responsive, and quantity demand is going to move around a lot when the price changes in these cases. So these are all associated with relatively elastic demand. When it raises the price of hockey tickets, total revenue increases, and when it lowers the prices, total revenue falls. So that means that demand is inelastic. An increase in price leads to an increase in total revenue. So not that many, demand doesn't fall that much, quantity demanded doesn't fall that much, so you're really able to benefit from that price increase. And if you lower that price, you're just kind of cheating yourself, or you could have charged more because you're going to take in about the same number, but just at a lower price. If the slope is 0, so what kind of demand curve has a 0 slope? That's this one, right? Slope goes 0. So that is an perfectly elastic demand curve. If elasticity of demand is negative 1.4, okay, so in this case they did not use absolute value, but this is 1.4 is the percent change in quantity demanded over percent change in price. So which combination of numbers here leads to that 1.4? Well, it's 5 and 7. And then it's an increase in price leads to a decrease in quantity demanded, because this is not what a demand curve is. We don't have price increases leading to price increases in quantity demanded. Then the most responsive is perfectly elastic. So we're going to kind of go with these guys. And then the least responsive is perfectly inelastic. So this sequence is the right one, going from infinite elasticity down to 0. To increase total revenue, which firm should lower price and which should increase the price? If you have elastic demand, you should increase the price, and you have inelastic demand, you should increase the price. I don't know if I said that right, but I filled it in right, and that is B. So those are the answers for our worksheet, and let me know if you have any questions.